Exception handling. Today topic is exception handling, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. And first of all, exception handling. And exception handling is nothing but exception. Exception is an unwanted event on interrupted normal flow of the program. When exception occur, program execution temporarily. In such a case, we get a system generated errors message. The good things about exceptions is they can be handled in Java. By handling the executions, we can provide meaningfully message to the users about the issue rather than the system generated messages, which may not be understandable to use. Why an execution occurs, there can be several reasons that can users programming to throw execution for. And examples programs will Java language, object, throwable, errors and exceptions, runtime exceptions, other exceptions. Is like a runtime errors find. That runtime errors find it the main purpose of runtime errors finding. The main purpose of runtime errors finding this type of classes. I will explain it deeply. I will explain it practically. Once you run this program successfully, but some problems are there in behind the running. That running errors are finding the exception handling. Exception handling. We'll create some label to finish it. I will create try and catch exception e. We have any some coding mistake or exception. What create exception? Is creating exception. Yeah, he is a problem. But he printing this. Let's do the. I will create some errors. Okay, I will create some error in a equal to 10 0. Java run is by 0. Is a not printing, is a exception handling error is displaying by 0. I will one more class I will providing this, and if condition, not if system dot out int a equal to. I will remove this previous program and let's see, control space a greater than b. I will providing this value int b equal to 12. A less than b is correct. A less than b is not any error, is printing true, but I will get one error This type of error I will find out are there or not. This is false. This is same error, not error issues. Only find out the some issues are there. Issues. Only find it. And by 0 is a 0 is issue. That issue only find it this program. And this is a exception handling. This type of exception handling, try to this type of any kind of errors are rising, that rising that error and catch that throw that catch and catch that errors and print that errors is the same is the exception handling. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Okay.